1, 2, 3. Isa pa, 1, 2, 3. Ha?
Practice daw yan, practice.
Ay, wow! Baliktad daw!
Thank you, Kyle. Thank you.
Sakto kasi lagi siyang nawawala.
Okay, next we'll have the gift from Tita Noli.
Oh, wow.
Thank you, Tita Noli.
Open.
Kates, ate, 1, 2, tumabi. 1, 2, 3.
Can they open? Pwede?
Taray. Ay, grabe.
Thank you, Tita Noli. Baka naman, Tita Noli. Siguro pwede ng kiss dyan. Oh, just one kiss, a cheek. For Tita Noli. Oh, Tita Noli. Okay, next. Thank you again, Tita Noli. So now we'll have a gift from KISS, the K-Deluxe International Sweetheart.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa, 1, 2, 3.
Pwede bang picture ng panatag lang? Request lang. Mamaya pag kasama yung team. Okay, thank you. Ay, sige. Ano?
Sige pala kayo.
O, panatag muna!
Ito nakapila pala.
Panatag!
Next, a gift from the K-Deluxe International Sweetheart.
Ate Carol, nakaharap ko na sa live.
Nag-resign na kasi kami sa trabaho.
I know, right?
Parang ang bigat nito ah.
Oh my God. Thank you, Ate.
Okay, so they can also read the card.
Oh, yeah. Copy paste mo niya.
Hindi ni ate mo. Parang hindi ate mo.
To our dear Katie and Alexa, just like milk and mocha, you two remind us that in life there's always time for a cup of happiness, cuddles, and a sprinkle of adventure. Happy 3rd anniversary to us. Stay fab and always remember you're our favorite blend. Ooh. Thank you.
We're a blender.
Kaya naman. Ito na tayo sa oven machine. Appliances.
Fold yan. Yes, magic box. Matutuwa si Mami. You're ready? Pag nag-recite kami ni ate mo.
Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
So that's yours?
Yes.
Nice.
Meron pa.
There's more. Ng itsura.
Meron pa.
There's more. Magic box nga.
May sasuotin na naman yung
Kompleto na yung outfit niyo sa Hongkong.
That's from Gaydalex, from your aunties.
Sabi hindi na pala umorder niya.
Ito hirap na rin yung order niya.
Yes!
Kiss out si Mocha. Ito.
Pero hindi siya natuwa. Lisa, kantuwa.
Nonchalant talaga siya.
Thank you! Order tayo. Ilabas natin siya. Ang cute naman yan. Uy, wear natin to sa yes! Yes!
Love it. Pag-i-packet naman ako dami bagong damit.
Ate Carol, nakikita yung ano. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you, ate.
Sana ko lang. Sige na. Sige na. Sana ko lang.
So, KD, next, we also have a card from Tita Noli.
Wow.
Sorry naman.
Sige po, pasahin na.
Oh, cute. You two were written in the stars. Yeah. Sulat to ni Tita Noli? Or sulat?
Kita parang from America yan.
America po.
Yeah.
P.S. Oh, thank you,
Thank you, Tita Noli.
Oh, sorry na. Okay, so thank you to everyone na mga nagbigay ng gifts. So, yung iba, sorry you won't be able to open it. Pero, syempre, makakasya naman ka na KD and Alexa. So, as we near the end of our celebration, we would like to hear from our special guest. So, can we call on Tito Glenn and Tita Grace? If you'd like to share a few words or message. So, we'd be very grateful for that. So, let's go back to our seats.
Wala na, nasakal na. Char. Natali na.
This is my gift for you guys.
Tayo yan eh.
Okay, so,
Tapan yung
Tito Glenn and Tita Grace, if you'd like to share a few words.